Hey, what's up everybody? It's me, the home cook hero, and I'm back with a new video, and I'm also back with my voice. Yes. So y'all, today I am making another video for my game day appetizer series. I'm making these fried catfish nuggets with a homemade creamy Cajun dip, y'all. This dip right here is fire, y'all. You definitely got to try it out. Y'all, the catfish nuggets were fire too. So without further ado, y'all, we're just gonna get right into this video. All right, let's go. Alright y'all, so for the creamy Cajun dip, I'm starting off with some sour cream. I picked up this Smothered Cajun sauce from Whole Foods, and it's really good. And it's tomato based, and it's kind of smoky, kind of sweet. It really gives you that Cajun taste, y'all. After that, I'm going in with some Thai chili flakes. They're like very spicy. I love them. Going in with some paprika to really help drive home that reddish color that I really wanted for this sauce. And then after that, I'm going in with some buttermilk to kind of loosen it up a little bit. You know, that sour cream is kind of thick. And I wanted this to be a nice dipping sauce and not break apart the nuggets when you put them in there. So after that, I'm just finishing off with a little bit of lemon or lime. I forgot which one I used. I think it was lime this time though. And yeah, after that, I'm just stirring it all up together. I decided to put some parsley up in there just to brighten it up a little bit, y'all. And then I also went in with, so that is a lemon. I went in with some lemon. Of course, I got the seed all in there, and then I had to try to take it out and had it all on my gloves, y'all. It was just, of course, my luck. And I also obviously added some more of that Cajun sauce, y'all. I really wanted to drive home that flavor even more, y'all. So after that, stirred it all up, and this is what it looked like. So now to the catfish, y'all. I actually picked up this blue catfish. I had never really cooked it before, I don't think, until this time. But it was really good, and it tastes pretty much just like regular catfish. I didn't really taste any kind of difference, y'all. But yeah, I'm just slicing it all up into little 1-inch little nugget sizes or whatever you want to call them. Season it up with some pepper, some paprika for some color, some garlic powder, some Thai chili flakes again, y'all. And y'all, then I just started mixing everything up together. And one little thing you probably noticed, I didn't add any salt in this, and that's because the fish fry that I use actually has enough salt in it. It's perfectly seasoned, and I just wanted to drive home some of those other flavors, so that's why I added everything but salt, basically. So then, y'all, I am going in with some buttermilk. That's going to help the batter adhere to the fish better. Also going in with an egg. You can leave this step out. It's not mandatory. I just really like it because it gives the fish a more crunchy kind of texture. So, y'all, I have this prepared fish fry that I got. I'm just adding in some parsley just to make it a little bit more vibrant in color. That's also optional. Definitely don't need that. I probably would take it out next time, honestly. So yeah, y'all, I'm just going in with the catfish. I'm just doing about 3 to 4 at a time, y'all. Placing it into the fish fry. You know, being very gentle with it. You don't really want to be too messy. I probably could have used a bigger bowl. It would have made things a little bit easier. But, you know, just live on the edge a little bit, you know. So this is what it should look like after you got that fish fry all over the catfish, y'all. So I'm just doing that with all of the rest of them, being, you know, gentle with it, taking my time and everything. But y'all, I got this recipe idea from this place in Maryland that I go to whenever I go visit home, and it's called Hip Hop Chicken and Fish. I think it's the name of the place. But y'all, they have the best catfish nuggets ever. If you're ever in Maryland, especially like PG County, definitely check out Hip Hop Chicken, y'all. That place is bomb. Anyway, y'all, I am adding in the catfish to my skillet that I had preheating for about 5 minutes on medium heat with some neutral cooking oil. I am just dropping in the catfish. I fried it for about 2 minutes on both sides. You don't want to burn it. You don't want to have the fish get all dry on the inside and everything. So yeah, about 2 minutes on each side is fine. And after that, you just take it all out and you are ready to go. And this is what it all looked like when I was finished with it. Yeah, you see that parsley in there. Like I said, I honestly could have done without the parsley. I really could have done without the parsley. But you know, I'm trying to do stuff a little bit more amped up. But maybe I don't need to take it that far.